Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
You're going to start by confirming power and software. Make sure both AirPod Pros and their case are charged above 50%, and your phone or computer is running the latest OS and Bluetooth firmware. Once done, forget the AirPods from Bluetooth settings and put them in the case. Close the lid for 30 seconds, then open and hold the Setup button until the LED flashes amber then white to reset. This clears pairing glitches and gives you a clean state to reconnect immediately. Now reconnect and optimize. After the reset, pair the AirPods again using the device's Bluetooth menu and accept any permission prompts so audio routing is consistent. Next, reduce wireless conflict by disabling Wi-Fi scanning features or switching Wi-Fi to a less congested channel. Bluetooth and Wi-Fi share spectrum, so this matters. If your router supports band steering, lock the client to 4 GHz temporarily to test stability. Make sure low power modes aren't restricting background Bluetooth performance. Finish with advanced verification. Try the AirPods on a different phone or computer to see whether disconnects follow the buds or the original device. This isolates the issue. Also ensure AirPods firmware updated automatically by keeping them near an Apple device with internet. If an update installs, repeat the reset and repair. If disconnects continue despite these steps, use diagnostics in settings or contact support for hardware evaluation. One key tip: test with wired headphones to confirm it's exclusively Bluetooth related.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.